You know what's crazy? When I first started my job, I used to dress up every single day. Matching shoes, proper outfits, hair done, effort. Now, most of the days I just go normal. Whatever is clean, whatever is easy. Sometimes I don't even care if my shoes are matching. And I kept asking myself, did I change? Did I become lazy? Or is something else happening? And then I realized something. It's not always the job that steals your glow, it's the loop.
When you keep repeating the same things, your brain switches into autopilot. And on autopilot, things do feel safe, but slowly it numbs you. You are not excited, you are not curious, you are not even intentional. You are just surviving the day. And when you just survive instead of living, it shows. The way you show up every day, the way you enter the room, the way you talk or walk, it shows in your aura. Glow is the energy, and survival mode will kill that energy. Now, let's be real, we can't just leave our jobs and roam around to get that glow back because that's not the reality for most of us. Some people have that option, some people are privileged, but most of us we are not. Most of us have responsibilities, family, bills to pay. So, the solution is not quitting your job, but to get that glow back while doing the job. First thing first, set boundaries. Before 7 p.m., no official call. On weekends, on weekdays, no unnecessary work call. This is not because you don't take your work seriously or you don't respect your job enough. Your brain needs that break, your nervous system needs that break to function properly. And if you work 24/7, you can't even perform well at work. Boundaries is no disrespect, it's a self respect. And sometimes you have to say no to unnecessary work. Not because you don't respect others, but because you respect yourself more. Okay, so the second and the most important thing you can do is when you come home, don't just grab your phone immediately because that's where your identity lives. Those 3 4 hours, don't waste that time. That 9 to 5 might be survival, but your evenings, that's you. When you reach home, sit quietly for 10 to 15 minutes. Watch outside your window, watch the ceiling. I don't know, sit quietly, but don't watch that damn phone. Because scrolling keeps your mind on autopilot. You are doing the same things again and again. You came back home, you scroll for 3 to 4 hours, and then you had your dinner and you just went back to sleep, and then again the same loop. So, we are not going to use our phone. Ask yourself what is something that brings peace, that brings happiness to your life, that can fill your day with happiness. That could be anything. Maybe you like reading, or you want to record yourself, or you want to write a song, you can cook a nice meal for yourself, or do a skincare. Whatever it is, break that loop. Because even a small change can snap your mind out of that autopilot. Have something that drive you to do better in your life, a dream, a job, a purpose, a hobby, anything that drive you to do better in your life. Because when you have something to look forward, you wake up differently. That chase keeps our spark alive. Because when you get everything in your life and you don't have anything that you can chase, your life becomes boring. 9 to 5, it is so easy to lose that spark. So that is why it is so important to be intentional with your time. Look around, look at your routines, your habits, people you surround yourself with, or look at what you consume and what consumes you. So, yeah, the answer is not quitting your 9 to 5, but the answer is setting boundaries, having something to chase for.